business shop. So
Yes, sir.
So how many types?
These are the 8 varieties. So,
Okay.
sir, she will explain you further because a Japanese party has come, so I want to go down.
Okay.
Okay, she will explain. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
হ্যালো প্রিয় বন্ধুরা, আজকে একটু ডিফারেন্ট টাইপের ভিডিও নিয়ে আসলাম আপনাদের মাঝখানে। আজকে হচ্ছে আমি শ্রীলঙ্কা একটি চা ফ্যাক্টরিতে চলে আসলাম, তো দেখতে থাকুন।
So here, sir, you can come here. So I will explain the tea process.
Okay.
So, sir, there are 2 varieties of tea plants in Sri Lanka: Camellia assamica and Camellia sinensis.
It's 2 types of. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So from Camellia assamica we produce green tea, black tea with 2 different processes.
Okay.
Green tea without fermentation, black tea with fermentation.
Fermentation. Okay.
Yes. And here this is the first tea of black tea, orange peco, the lightest taste, lightest color.
Okay.
Peco lighter, FBOP the royalty, medium color and medium taste. BOP English breakfast tea is stronger.
Stronger, yeah.
BOPF the strongest.
Okay.
And these 2 better with milk and sugar because of the strongest taste. And here, sir, this is the dust. Inside tea bags, the dust.
This is.
Yes.
Okay.
So dust means the large trim, large leaves and damaged particles.
Okay.
So we are not recommended to use tea bags because tea bags are the cheapest.
Okay.
And here, sir, this is Camellia sinensis. White tea, gold tea comes under this plant.
This plant.
Yes,
Okay.
and we only using this baby bud,
Okay.
not the leaves.
Okay.
So this plant is very rare, rich with vitamin D, zero tannin,
Okay.
zero caffeine, and natural antioxidant.
Okay.
And so there are so many health benefits
Yes.
from white tea and gold tea.
Gold tea.
For example, reduce cancer.
Only this leaves with 2 types teas come in.
Yes, sir.
This is the white tea and gold tea, right?
Gold tea,
Okay.
only the bud. The
Okay.
process is also different.
Okay. Process
Okay?
also different.
Yes, so the health benefits are reduce cancer, disease, cholesterol, diabetics, even though you can lose your weight.
Okay.
And it's a reusable tea.
Okay.
Like fill buds for 1 cup of tea, the same bud you can reuse again and again, like 3-4 times within 2 days.
2 days.
Yes.
Okay.
So, sir, here you can see white tea is lighter than gold tea.
Gold tea. Okay.
Because white tea sun dry 20 hours only in the morning sun, gold tea 28 hours only in the morning sun.
Okay.
So that's the difference.
Okay.
The color and the taste is different, but the health benefits are same.
Okay.
So, sir, in our factory only making the black tea process.
Okay.
These 2 in another factory, and here the first process.
Okay.
And here, sir, this is the first process, the withering process. Withering means reducing the water moisture.
Here only leaf, right?
Yes, only
Yeah, okay.
50%. So, sir, first we measure 1,200 kilogram and put on this trough.
Okay.
And here, sir, you can see a big fan. This fan blows natural air under the net, and after 12 hours, 1,200 reduce the water moisture and becomes half.
Okay.
600 kilogram. Okay?
Okay.
So I will turn on the machine and show you, sir, how it works.
Yes, sure.
So you can go and do the first one.
It's first one, right? It's like dry, no?
Yes,
Yes.
half done. So do you understand the process?
Yes.
Yes,
Understand.
our second process in downstairs. Let's go.
Yeah. Okay. This is the fast process, right?
Sorry?
This is fast
Yes,
process. Yeah.
yes. So here, sir,
Yeah.
this is the second process, the rolling machine.
Rolling machine.
After the first process, the half dry.
Half dry.
The leaves come from upstairs
Upstairs.
through the shooter to the bottom of this machine.
Okay.
And this machine rolls the leaves like these and cut in pieces.
Cut in pieces. Okay.
Yes, around 20 minutes with the touchy pressure like this.
Okay.
Okay, so after 20 minutes, the broken tea leaves we pass to the next process.
Next process.
Roll breaker machine.
Okay.
And here, sir, this machine helps to measure different sizes,
Yeah.
larger to smaller. The smaller particles fell from here, and larger particles remain
Oh,
up
it's
here.
stop have net, right?
Yeah. Sorry?
Yes. Net.
Yes. So the large particle means the large stem, large leaves, and damaged particles, the left row.
Left row.
So the remaining big particles we again send to a small roller machine,
Ah.
and we again roll it with high pressure to make the dust that going inside the tea bags. Okay. So I will turn on the machine. Okay, so then we pass to the next process, the fermentation area. Fermentation means oxidization. Tea leaves reacted with the oxygen.
Yes.
So according to size wise, we keep it fermented. So fermentation means oxidization. Okay. So the color change to brown color. So white tea, gold tea, green tea without fermentation, black tea only with fermentation.
Fermentation, yes.
So our next process, the drying process in next tea.
Okay.
So here, sir, this is the dryer machine. After fermentation, the leaves come from here and fall inside the machine.
Yeah.
And we dry the leaves without using electricity or gas, only by wood fire.
Wood
The
fire.
Yes.
So without electricity or gas?
Yes. Because wood fire gives natural aroma, flavor, taste, and good smell to the
This is good.
yes, so the fire furnace is outside and heat come inside.
Okay.
And we dry it under 120 Celsius
Yes.
around 22 minutes. So here, sir, you can see after drying
Can I
process.
take?
Yes, sure. You can smell. So you can see two color difference, brown and black.
Yes.
Brown mean the stem and black mean the leaf.
Okay.
So we can't bring it with the stems.
Yes.
We want the separated leaves and stems separately, and the separated stems we use as compost.
Okay,
Back
compost.
to the
Yeah.
plantation. No waste. Okay.
Okay.
So sir, then we pass the dry tea leaves to next process to be separated.
Yes.
So here, sir, this is the fiber extractor. These all are plastic rollers. When this plastic rollers rolls, it automatically created electromagnetic energy, the static electricity. So if you keep your hand like this, you can feel the static. You can try. Don't touch, like you can feel it.
Yes.
Here. So here. You can see the stems are attaching and leaves go straight. So that's how we separated leaves and stems separated.
Okay. Yes, understand.
So here's the last process.
Okay.
So here, sir, the last process is the grading machine. These machines help to measure different sizes,
Okay.
larger to smaller, larger particles, lighter taste, lighter color. The smaller particles, the stronger taste. Size depend on the taste.
Yes, no.
Yes, larger, lighter, smaller, stronger. So the weight depends on the quality.
Okay.
So sir, here.
This is the final.
Yes.
Okay.
Here the dust.
This is dust.
Yes, dust.
It's not used.
These are the tea bags.
Okay. It's tea bag, right?
Yes, so the dust are the cheapest.
Okay.
So we are not recommended to use tea bags. And here the FBOP, the royalty, medium color, medium taste.
Okay.
And here sir, this is also the same. And this is the modern color sorter machine. This machine identifies the stem and leaf inside the machine. So it's a modern, like as the fiber extractor. Okay. So sir, come here. White tea,
White tea.
gold tea and green tea. The three are herbal teas.
Herbal taste. Yeah.
Yes, and these two are the best because of the health benefits. And only from Sri Lanka. Here the black tea varieties, larger particles to the smaller particles.
Okay.
That means lightest taste to the strongest taste.
Stronger
And here the dust, the leftover.
Okay.
So sir, I hope you understand the explanation.
Yes.
So do you have any questions?
Sorry?
Do you have any questions?
No, everything I understand.
Okay.
And this is the long process.
So then we can go to upstairs to have tea tasting.
Yeah.
And after tea tasting, if you like to buy something, you can buy.
Yeah, okay, no problem. And introduce yourself.
Sorry?
Your name is please
I'm
again.
Natasha.
Okay, thank you.